When I get asked to upgrade a framework, say Laravel or Symfony or React or anything like that, one of the first questions I usually ask is, can I have a list of the user journeys, the critical user journeys? And also, can I see the code coverage that is currently showing in your test suite? And yeah, unit tests are great, but when you're relying on frameworks such as Laravel to deal with your routing or date calculations or any other random facades that Laravel has, or maybe if you're relying on a Symfony component, or if you're relying on how the React setting of state is handled, then if they get upgraded and replaced and changed, then you want to make sure that your code is compatible with the new stuff. And yes, you shouldn't really be testing the framework's code, but what you should be testing is the journeys that your users are doing. And so tools like Cypress or Selenium or any kind of end-to-end testing tools are very valuable when you're upgrading your frameworks because it gives you a level of confidence. And so the first step really to upgrade the framework is to assess the landscape and assess the risks involved. And if you've got a system that has very low code coverage, a very low sets of unit tests and feature tests and integration tests, then the risk is very high, especially if you don't have any of those tests on the critical user pathways. The challenge I have seen is that, hey, we can't just test all the things, right? And that's why you want to focus on the critical pathways. Because if they're not tested, if your business logic isn't tested with the integration of the framework, then you've got an issue. And you don't want to be in a position where you're releasing unstable code.